Hi guys, so if you're confused basically that how you have to fill your May 2026 exam, so see the section, you just have to log into your login ID using your login ID and password. So supposedly when you log into your portal, this is how it appears. So you have to go to exam registration form section. So once you click on exam registration, you can see exam session May 2026. You click on apply now, and basically you have to read all the details. It's the same details as we have discussed in the technical requirements video. Once you agree for it, you will have to do confirm and next. Suppose that it will ask you to enter all your details. So once you enter your details, basically you can select the subject, and after that you can apply for it. So you will be able to register the subjects for which you have purchased the study material. So that is why purchasing of study material is important. And you can select multiple subjects in one examination session, but you just have to make sure that they're not falling on the same date and time. So if you have to register for additional subject, you just have to click on add button and do confirm and next, and then accept, and finally you have to pay the examination fees. So again, go to exam registration form. So basically go to examination section, then exam registration form tab, then register, points to remember, confirm and next, confirm your personal details, move ahead, select your country, state and city, move ahead, and finally select your subject. So this is how you have to fill for your exam. So like once I confirm the details, so they're asking me to fill the country. So we just have to select the country, and then post that select the state, and then select the center. So you can have to select the New Delhi center. So just agree and move to examination next, and just select the code or the select the subject that you want to add. For example, if I want to add say C1, so it's on date and time, agree to it. Now if you want to add multiple subjects, you can click on this add button, and you can appear for say SS7 together. Now if will flash the warning because they are appearing for the at the same time. So for example, if I add another subject, say I add CM2, and then accept, and finally confirm and next, and then it will show me this option that you have to purchase the study material. So that means it will only allow me to fill once I have purchased the study material. So this is how you have to fill your exam. So I hope this clear all your doubts related to exam filling. We will be coming up with more videos on your way. Thank you. Happy learning.